Did you guys know that you can remove unwanted objects from your photos and it works like Photoshop Generative? Well, let me show you. I'm on Windows 11 and I'm just using the default Photos app. I have three example images. I'll just open all three of them and see how it works. I'm clicking on Edit right here. There is a button to erase. You just click on that. Adjust your size of the brush. I just don't want this branch and this branch going across this picture. Maybe I'll remove the third one as well. It's a bit distracting. And let's see how it works. You just have to paint over the branches. Or anything you want to remove for that matter. So I remove this. Let's see. Let's go over this as well. I'm trying to paint all of this together. Let's see. And wait for a few seconds. And it's almost gone. It's pretty clean. There is a bit of patch left here, but we can go over that again. Just removing this small part. Let's see. Maybe I should remove a bit of this patch. Yes, that's it. We'll go over all these images in details, but seems to do a pretty fair job. And let me save a copy of this. Make it underscore. Let's go over the second image. Here we have another image of Eastern Phoebe, which I clicked a few days ago during the rain. And I like how all these lines are going across the frame, but then there are a few which is not really following the pattern, and maybe those are distracting. Maybe I'll remove this guy and these two, and maybe this third one as well. So I'll click on edit, erase let me adjust the brush size. I want to remove these few first. Looks pretty decent. Now let's go over. So let's have all these lines going diagonally. This one maybe doesn't work. I'll just remove this. And lastly, maybe we'll remove the third one as well. Let's see how it works, because this is almost joined at the bottom. And so I'll make the brush a little smaller. Let's wait for a few seconds. And it seems to be okay. There is a bit of patch, but I mean, if you want, you can clone stamp on, but again, that clone stamp is not here in this software. So we'll review these again. I'll save a copy of this. And let's go over our third image. In this one, I'll remove this branch right here on the right side and this broken stump at the bottom, maybe the top one as well, and see how it works. This one maybe will need a bigger brush. First, I'm gonna remove the top left one. Looks okay. Let's go for this big one now. Maybe I'll paint all of this together. Let's wait for a few seconds. looks darn good. Let me save a copy of this. So let's go through those pictures now. The first one here, which we cleaned, it seems to have done a pretty fair job, but zooming in, you can see there is a bit of patch left, especially here, and it doesn't replicate the grain. It doesn't do on Photoshop as well, but it at least does better job at like feathering the edges properly. Here you can see a sharp line and there is no clone stamp. So I wish that could have been a bit better, and yeah, obviously I shouldn't have drawn lines here. Should have just stopped here, but that's what it is. Again, here as well you can see a bit of patch left. So overall, full screen it looks all right, but yeah, if you pixel peep, obviously there are problems in this cleanup. Let's go with the next one, and same case on this one. It looks okay at a glance, but if you zoom in, you can see there is a bit of line left wherever we tried cleaning up, and there is a bit of mess here. And this other branch as well, it's all right. It's not mind-blowing, but for a tool which is free built in on your Windows, it's great. And the third one, I think the third one seems to be the most promising, also because I think it's in terms of color, it's pretty simple. There's nothing busy in this one. There is a bit of rain, but it's not as prominently visible like other two shots. And same issue here as well. There is a bit of line here. So it is okay. I think it's good for posting on Instagram. You're not gonna pixel peep. Nobody's gonna zoom in and see just at a glance. Or this would be really small on a phone screen. So for posting on Instagram and stuff, it's pretty good, I would say. There is one more thing which I noticed is, you see there is a bit of loss in color, and that's because it's compressing the image pretty badly, which is what I noticed after I saw the size of the pictures. So the ones I cleaned up, I have underscore in the name, and you can see this file was 8 megabytes, then it's now 2, the cleaned up version. Same goes for other two. So I wish it didn't do that, because you can see the bit of banding as well. So especially when you zoom in, in some of the pictures I noticed there is a bit of blotchy color as well. You'd have to open this on a different software and check in RGB, but I'm not sure you can see, but I can notice some green and red patches all over the images, and that's because of the compression. So that's what it is, guys. Hope you guys like it. If this helped you or if you learned something, please subscribe. Thank you so much.